Hello students, welcome to all Bishop Academy online classes. Dear student, in part 2 video, we have already studied some definition of polynomials. Now student, in part 3 video, we will solve some numerical problem of exercise 2A of R.S. Agrawal book, and also we will solve some question of question number 1 and total question of question number 2 and some question of question number 3. Now question is, which of the following expressions are polynomials? In case of a polynomial, write its degree. First part is x raised to the power 5 minus 2x cube plus x plus root 3. Second part is y raised to the power 3 plus root 3y. Third part is t square minus 2 by 5t plus root 5. Fourth part is x raised to the power 100 minus 1. Fifth part is 1 by root 2x square minus root 2x plus 2. And sixth part is x raised to the power minus 2 plus 2x raised to the power minus 1 plus 3. Now we will solve first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part and sixth part of question number 1. In first part, we have to check this given expression is polynomial or not, and when it is polynomial, then we have to find out its degree. Here expression is x raised to the power 5 minus 2x cube plus x plus root 3. Here we see power of each term is non-negative. Therefore, this expression is a polynomial. Means this expression is a polynomial, and when we find that it is polynomial, then we check its highest power, and the highest power of the polynomial is known as its degree. Means it is polynomial, and its degree is 5 because highest power of this polynomial is 5. Therefore, its degree is 5. Degree equal to 5. Now in second part, it is also polynomial because this expression containing non-negative integral power, means in each term the power is non-negative integer. Therefore, it is also polynomial, and highest power of this polynomial is 3. Therefore, its degree is 3. Now in third, each term of this expression containing non-negative integral power in variable t. Therefore, it is also polynomial, and highest power of this polynomial is 2. Therefore, its degree is 2. In fourth part, this algebraic expression is also polynomial because each term of this expression containing non-negative integral power in variable x. Therefore, it is polynomial, and highest power of this polynomial is 100. Therefore, its degree is 100. Now in fifth part, highest power of this expression is 2, and also we see each term of this algebraic expression containing non-negative integral power in variable x. Therefore, it is also polynomial, and highest power of this polynomial is 2. Therefore, its degree is 2. Now in sixth part we see first term of this algebraic expression in variable x containing negative integral power, and also in second term it is containing negative integral power. Therefore it is not polynomial. Since it is not a polynomial, therefore we cannot find out its degree. Now we will solve question number 2, and in question number 2 we have to identify constant, linear, quadratic, cubic and quartic polynomials in the following. First is -7 plus x. In this polynomial degree is 1, and also we know that when degree of polynomial is 1, then it is linear polynomial. And in second part also its degree is 1, therefore again it is linear polynomial. In third part degree of this polynomial is 3, and also we know that when degree of polynomial is 3, then it is cubic polynomial. Now in fourth part we see highest power of this polynomial is 3, means its degree is 3, therefore it is cubic polynomial. In fifth part degree of this polynomial is 4, therefore it is known as quartic polynomial, and quartic polynomial is also known as biquadratic polynomial. In sixth part degree of this polynomial is 2, therefore it is quadratic polynomial. Again in seventh part degree is 2, therefore it is also quadratic polynomial. In eighth part degree of this polynomial is 0, because -13 is written as -13 into x raised to the power 0 or -13 into t raised to the power 0. Therefore this type of polynomial is known as constant polynomial, means -13 is constant polynomial. And in ninth part -p, and here we see this polynomial containing highest power is 1, means its degree is 1, therefore it is known as linear polynomial. Now student, we will solve some question of question number 3, means some part of the question number 3, and in question number 3 we have to find out coefficients, means multiple. And question number first of question number 3 is find the coefficient of x cube in x plus 3x square minus 5x cube plus x to the power 4, and in second part we have to find out the coefficient of x in √3 minus 2x plus 6x square. In first part we see multiple of x cube is -5, and also we know that multiple in any polynomial refers as coefficient. Therefore coefficient of x cube in this polynomial is -5, means coefficient of x cube is -5. Now in second part we have to find out coefficient of x. Here we see in this polynomial multiple of x is -2 √2. Therefore coefficient of x is -2 √2. Now dear student, all of you must solve remaining questions of exercise 2A. Thanks.